it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another sponsored video. This video is being sponsored by the Hey Beauty WigTIque in Duncanville, Texas. That's right, it is being sponsored by my job. It's located in Duncanville, Texas at 700 North Clark Road inside Hey Beauty Supply on Clark. So let's get into this video. This is coming from a beautifully crafted WannaBe company again. So as always, you already know what I'm about to say. Me and the WigTIque in Duncanville, Texas have tamed up to bring you guys a very special wig review. So let's get into it. Starting off, this is what the WannaBe box for this unit. This is the box that it comes in. It is 100% Indian Remy human hair. So all this lusciousness right here, all this straight goodness is all 100% human hair. Not quality, not none of that. It is 100% human hair, so which means I can do whatever I want to this unit. So this is in the style Hair-Agassi, and I did get her in the color 1B. She is 25 inches, not 26, not 24. She is that fine medium. She is 25 inches. And trust me, she is giving every ounce. Yes, that box just dropped, and it's okay. But she's giving me every inch of everything that I've been looking for, and even if I didn't know I needed it. So let's get into this review. Number one, she is a full lace unit. She did cost a pretty penny. So anytime that we're dealing with WannaBe, we're dealing with high quality investment pieces. I'm always going to say that. Number one, there is nothing wrong with investing in yourself. You deserve it. You earn it. Do what you need to do to make sure that you got it. Number three, because that's actually rule number 1 and 2. So number 3, this unit, it only comes in a handful of colors. There is a video, I believe, that's available on the Hey Beauty DT Slays YouTube channel, where me and my sister were wearing the same unit. I have on the black, and she had on a blonde. Also with this unit, it is free parting now. However, what I did for my unit, my sister automatically knew that when I got this unit, I was going to make her a bust down the middle. I was going to end up plucking it. So I ended up plucking this unit and making her a permanent center part. But you do not have to do any of that to this unit. That is just my personal preference. I have a particular way how I like to wear my units. It did come with a pre-plucked hairline. So with this hairline, I didn't have to do anything but create my baby hair, and that's it. She is 130 density. This is actually probably one of the best wigs that I have gotten from WannaBe, and I have a few of their units, but this is actually one of my favorites due to the fact that it is 130 density. It's not thick, and this is actually the perfect summertime unit. I literally installed this unit last week, and it's still on my head with no issue. There is no shedding. I haven't received any shedding. I did bond this wig down. I actually used glue, but I used the True Bond glue by Hair Republic, which their glue, we're going to do a review on that glue because I got to tell y'all some deets on that. But there are 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, along with the adjustable straps. I did not put in an elastic band. I went on and just glued it down like normal. And like I said, it is perfect. It's beautiful with no issue. There is no shedding on this unit. This unit is definitely big head friendly. And it is it's big head friendly. I can see someone with a medium-sized head still being able to wear this unit with no issues. So if you're looking for the right investment company for your wigs, definitely head over to Hey Beauty in Duncanville, Texas, and head over to their WigTIque over there, where you can check out me and Paulette to make sure that we find you the perfect unit for all of your beauty needs. I'm telling you guys, it's definitely worth the money. I have no issue with spending my money on a unit because y'all know how I feel about my hair. It's got to be right. So definitely, this is an investment piece. I'm telling you that now. So if this video was informative and to you guys liking, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye.